Remuyuk paras.
Ya.
Ci, loro telu. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor to have the opportunity to address such a distinguished audience. I know I've met some of you, but let me introduce myself again. My name is Pingan Indah Saputri as the first speaker or moderator.
My name is Nelly Salsa as the second speaker. Next.
My name is Niam Trinaksi as the third speaker.
My name is Rahmat Yoga as the fourth speaker.
My name is Waita Zara Istiqomah as the fifth speaker.
The topic of our presentation is water. Our presentation will last for about 10 minutes. I know that time is so short, so I attempt to be brief in our presentation. We are going to develop three main points on my presentation. Firstly, water conservation. Secondly, KMZ 1. Thirdly, KMZ 2. Fourthly, KMZ 3. Finally, conclusion. Without any further delay, let's start with the first point in our discussion today that will be presented by Nelly Salsa Eko. Time is yours.
I'm so grateful for having a chance to be here sharing you about water. Water conservation is an important step to maintain the survival of your planet. With the world's population continue to grow, conserving water resources is becoming increasingly important. I think that's all from me. Now I give the time back to moderator. Thank you.
After knowing about water, now it's time for us to know KMZ1 that will be presented by Niam. Time is yours.
Look into the future of water, just an equality 1 billion people would access to safe drinking water at home 1 billion without safe sanitation service 1 billion watt basic washing. Water issue are making existing inequalities worse and there is no improvement in sight to the expected impacts of climate change in qualities improvement. So this is the end of my talk and I'll give the time back to the moderator. Thank you.
Now let's move on to our next point in our discussion today that will be presented by Wahidatus. Time is yours.
I'm so grateful for having a chance to be sharing you about water. While the promise of these technologies is appealing, the reality of overhauling legacy infrastructure and process to enable a smart farm can be daunting. Questions around cost, technical complexity, and even long-held belief about irrigation will need to be addressed to take full advantage of this water-saving innovation. But for those willing to invest the time and research, the reward of data-driven farming can be significant, reducing cost through efficiency while achieving higher crop yield and quality. The future of agriculture depends on how well technology and human judgment can be combined to solve critical problems like water scarcity. Wireless technologies are making that future possible today for farmers ready to take on the challenge. A. Enable or prefix. B. Judgment or suffix. So, this is the end of my talk and I will give the time back to the next speaker.
Now, let's move on to our next point in our discussion today that will be presented by Yoga.
Now I am going to talking about message 3. As it is said that hey Jivan hai, water is life. Without water life is impossible. Thus water conservation is the most crucial part of the present as well as the future. Water conservation can be achieved by the 3 R I A. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. This article is about the fresh air to reduce water consumption in industries. I impossible or perfect be conservation consumption or suffic. Thank That's all from me. Now I give the team back to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Let me just run over the key points again. Conclusion: water is precious resource and it is crucial that we'll conserve it for future generations. Governments, organizations, and individuals all have a role to play in water conservation efforts. The example above demonstrate that there are many effective methods for conserving water, including rainwater harvesting, water conservation measures, green infrastructure, and water efficiency initiative. By implementing these methods, we can reduce our water usage and preserve our freshwater resources. Not only will this benefit the environment, but it will also benefit individuals and communities by ensuring access to clean and safe water. Well, that's it from us. Thank you for your attention and participation. See you next time.